Good afternoon, Year 12 single mathematicians. Just going to go through a question from exercise 11D that was requested. Apparently it's quite tricky. So we've got an acceleration formula given to us, 6t plus 2. And we're given some information, which is when t is equal to 2, the displacement is 10. And when t is equal to 3, the displacement is 38. And that should be enough information for us to work out the displacement when t is equal to 4. So the only way to do this is to integrate. So the velocity is the acceleration integrated. And that gives you 6t squared divided by 2 plus 2t. Remember the plus c, which would simplify to 3t squared plus 2t plus c. And that is a formula for the velocity. But we want a formula for the displacement. So s is the velocity integrated. So integrate 3t squared plus 2t plus c with respect to t, and you get 3t cubed divided by 3 plus 2t squared divided by 2 plus ct plus another constant. However, I can't use the letter c again, so plus constant, which I'll call d. This simplifies to t cubed plus t squared plus ct plus d. That's a formula for s. But we need to work out what c and d are. And we use the information given in the question. So when t is equal to 2, s is equal to 10. So if you replaced every single t value with 2, you get 2 cubed plus 2 squared plus c2 plus d is equal to 10. If you simplify that, you would get 2c plus d is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. Take that to the other side, so that's negative 2. And if you did something similar with t is equal to 3, replace every single t value with 3, you get 3 cubed plus 3 squared plus c3 plus d is equal to 38. And that simplifies to 3c plus d is equal to 27. Plus 9 is 36, subtract that, so 2. And then, got two equations, two unknowns, solve them simultaneously. So you could, for example, subtract them. If I did equation 2, take away equation 1, I would get c is equal to 4, and then d would be equal to 2 subtract 3 4s, which is negative 10. So the formula for s is t cubed plus t squared plus 4t subtract 10. And you want the displacement when t is equal to 4. So when t is equal to 4, s would be equal to 4 cubed plus 4 squared plus 4 4s, subtract 10. 64, 80, 96, 86 meters. And that would be part A done. And then part B, find the velocity when t is equal to 4. So you've got a formula for velocity which we worked out back there. So v is equal to 3t squared plus 2t plus c, but our plus c is plus 4. And when t is equal to 4, v is equal to 3, 4 squareds plus 2 4s plus 4, which is 48, 52, 60 meters per second. And then that would be it.